Okay, guys, these are delicioso watermelon tequila popsicles. Now watch this. Okay, so we cut watermelon, okay? We get a nice little round. Can we get a sharper knife in the future? Because this knife look pretty dull, okay? People watching this going, why are they using such dull knives, okay? I'm in charge of sharpening and I was busy this day. So guys, we cut a little slit in there to put in our popsicle stick, all right? Now, ideally, the best way to do this is to put in the sticks after you've done the infusion, okay? So you wouldn't want to put in the sticks right now. You want to do it after the infusion. So we got tequila, we got our triple set. We come behind that with some agave syrup, okay? And you let those sit and soak. You see what I'm saying? That's why like this part would be easier without it. And then you break them out, and guess what? It's done. Sprinkle some salt, okay? Salt-based style, okay? And there you have it. Stay tipsy. Man, could I get a vodka or something to clear my throat?